Hi, everyone. Dr. Barkley here, yet again, for another commentary. This one on an issue that I receive lots of emails about through my website, and that has to do with how can we identify specialists near us to get help for ourselves or our loved ones who have ADHD? It's a very good question. So I'm going to go through some ways that you can try to locate experts in your area if you're having some difficulties doing so. So let's begin. What can you do? What ways can you use to find an ADHD specialist in your region? Uh, Here are some places to call or check on the internet. This first slide applies mainly to the United States, but you could use some of these suggestions elsewhere. So, for instance, call the psychiatry department at your local university medical center. See if they have a specialist in their department, and if they do not, do they have a list of area professionals that they refer to when they see a patient with ADHD? So that's one starting point. You can also call the psychology department at your local university, especially if it has a graduate training program for people getting their master's and PhD. Such graduate programs in psychology often have clinics in which they are training the students getting their degrees, and they may either have someone on faculty who's an ADHD specialist, or they may have knowledge of people within the area who do so. So that's another resource that you can use both in and outside the United States. In the US, you should check the websites for your state psychiatric and state psychological association. Many of these associations list their members by specialty, and you might be able to find somebody who identifies as a specialist who sees child or adult ADHD. You can also contact uh, the American Professional Society for ADHD and Related Disorders. That is the U.S. Conference that is held every year, and our professional society that holds meetings elsewhere as well. But they also have a list of their members, and all of their members identify as specialists within ADHD, which is why they are members of the society and attend these various meetings and the annual conference. So check the APSARD website, as you see here, apsard.org, see if there's somebody near you. You can also go to the website for our National Association for ADHD, and that is Children and Adults with ADHD, or chad.org, as you see here. They also keep lists of regional specialists, and one might be near you. Now, outside the U.S., or excuse me, this should be in and outside the U.S., Attitude Magazine at their website, attitude.com, also lists specialists in ADHD. So see if they show someone who might be close to your region. In Canada, visit the website for your Canadian ADHD associations, and they are CADC and CADRA, as you see listed here. They may be able to help you locate someone in your province that is a specialist in this disorder as well. If you're in Europe or in countries that border Europe, you can check the website for the World Federation for ADHD, which lists various parent support associations around the world on many continents. And if they list one in your country or continent, then see if you can contact that parent support group and ask them what their opinion is about regional specialists that you can consult. So you can see the website here for the ADHD Federation. Besides that, if you're an adult with ADHD, you can go to the website for the European Adult ADHD Network. You see the link here, and it will list professionals in your country that have identified themselves as specialists. And by the way, there are countries listed there outside of just strictly what we think of as Europe or Western Europe. So check out that website as well. Hopefully, these will be recommendations that prove fruitful for you trying to locate a specialist that you can see for yourself or for your loved ones. Uh, so thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope that you find the contents useful. Be well.